Domain name mapping in Zoho refers to the process of connecting your custom domain to your Zoho services, such as Zoho Mail, Zoho Sites, or Zoho Creator. This is important for branding, credibility, and user experience. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a domain. On your environment, navigate to Settings, and under Directory, search for domains. Click on Add Domain. Now, enter your full domain name. Zoho will now generate a unique DNS text record that you'll need to add to your domain's DNS settings. Open your domain registrar's DNS management page. This is usually where your domain was purchased, like GoDaddy or any hosting provider. Create a new text record using the details provided by Zoho. For the host or name, use the exact value shown by Zoho. Paste the unique verification code in the value field. Then save the DNS record. Once all the other steps are completed, return to ZohoOne and click Validate. Zoho will now check your DNS to confirm the domain is yours. Once validated, your domain is successfully mapped. You can also choose to enable mail hosting if needed. Remember, you'll need access to your domain's DNS settings to complete this step. If you don't have access, coordinate with your IT team or domain registrar for help.